Breaking news, breaking news. Hurricane Melissa in Thorpe, Jamaica. But people are celebrating, taking it tribal, calling on the ancestors. Breaking news. Breaking news. People, some people are saying it's a conspiracy. Some people are saying Hurricane Melissa has already hit the island. But people are still celebrating. Some people are not taking it serious. Some people are sitting down at home and they're calling on the ancestors. Look how they're doing it. But on a more serious note, people, Hurricane, this man here seems to be scaring everybody. The way how he reports his story, everybody's upset. So come from Toronto, Canada, home of the Blue Jays. Born Jamaican, straight to Jamaica. What's going on in Jamaica right now with Hurricane Melissa? Yeah, that brother, yeah, scare the people them the way how he's reporting. The way how he's reporting, he's scaring the people. Check it out.
The island to seek shelter and higher ground immediately.
Hold on.
Let's just get into it, man. It's the Mr. Show. I redpillrixter. Let's go.
Those are birds in the water, people. See then, and me say to them, those are birds lying off in the water. Hey, yo. Birds like crazy in the sky. Look there. Birds like crazy in the sky, people's flying. Look there. So people, and me say so. Hey, yo. So, if the bird them they're nothing in the sky, people. And the bird them they're nothing on the sea. But what them I do a thing called cloud seeding. Them trap the thing in the cloud and they take all 2-3 days before it ripen. But for some reason, the ancestors them is slowing it down. And them is dropping more and more in the cloud. And then you people, now back the ancestors, you people spirit are dead. Says that the ancestors come to save, you know, and we just sell out the ancestors them. That's why the ancestors them put.
So, you know what I'm saying? First and foremost, people, cloud seeding is a new term that I haven't heard. Cloud seeding, right? But I've heard of the weather machine. Jesse Ventura had a show and he was talking about it. And I don't want to say the name because I don't want to say the name. My channel's already getting a little bit of YouTube fight, shadow banning and all these things. But I'm going to say it anyways. HARP, the HARP program. HARP, H-A-A-R-P, was a program that was designed where they can control the weather. They say it would be for agricultural and human benefit, but it looks like it's more like for warfare. And just to give you some more insight, a lot of oil has been recently found outside of the coast of Jamaica and between China and Russia and America. Now, could you imagine if one of these people had a weather machine trying to clear out Jamaica? Trying to clear out Jamaica for their own benefit? Let's just get into it, man. Let's just get into it.
Those are birds
no more talking. Let's go.
Birds like crazy in the sky.
But don't usually the birds are the first, the insects and the birds and stuff and the animals are the first ones to skedaddle when signs of a hurricane come on? Why are they still there? Not to say the hurricane's not, Melissa is not in Jamaica, but I got some questions, bro.
Look there.
I got questions.
Birds like crazy in the sky, people's flying. Look there. Some people, and me say so. So, if the bird them they're nothing on the sky, people, and the bird them they're nothing on the sea. But what them I do a thing called cloud seeding. Them trap the thing in the cloud and they take all 2-3 days before it ripen. But for some reason, the ancestors them is slowing it down. And them is dropping more and more in the cloud. And then you people, now back the ancestors, you people spirit are dead. Says that the ancestors come to save, you know.
Right, so even if the ancestors came to save us, a lot of people are spiritually unalive.
And we just tell out the ancestors them. That's why the ancestors them put people like me, the emperor, the chief high priest, the maroon chief high priest.
Shout out to all the maroons in Jamaica. My grandmother was a maroon.
Throw the people, see there. This
people people.
The water people.
It's serious.
But what them I do a thing called cloud seeding. Them trap the thing in the cloud and they take all 2-3 days before it ripe. But for some reason, the ancestors them is slowing it down. And them is dropping more and more in the cloud. And then you people, now back the ancestors, you people spirit are dead. Says that the ancestors come to save, you know, and we just sell out the ancestors them. That's why the ancestors them put people like me, the emperor, the chief high priest, the maroon chief high priest, to come show the people, see that this is a sea with the pan. No storm in the outer sea.
Jamaica people claim say storm now come. And look where rain do this, so look this up. Look this up, don't this up, mash up already. See then, we not tell no lie.
Right.
The place they mash up and you stand up.
Right, because they must say the storm will come. Now I see a lot of fake videos online where AI is showing storms of last year and showing storms of way back in Gilbert, back in the late 80s, right? But we're also seeing some footage of things that are happening right now in Jamaica, and it looked like the storm is coming. So conflicting reports. We want some Jamaican people to give us their information. Tell us what's going on in the comment section. We are from the Jamaican diaspora, and we want to know.
Reach it, Melissa, and reach it to the factories.
Not the winds yet. They could be gusting on the island as it makes landfall between 120 and 140 miles per hour.
I wouldn't mind 100 miles. A storm come here. 100 bomb clock miles an hour. When me look all the car them, but not here.
So, about the winds yet. They could be gusting on the island as it makes landfall between 120 and 140 miles per hour.
I wouldn't mind 100 miles. A storm come here. 100 bomb clock miles an hour. When me look all the car them, but not here.
So, now is the time for anyone on the island to seek shelter and higher ground immediately.
Hold on.
Hold on. Because they were telling Jamaicans to leave. Leave and go where, bro?
Yeah, hey, listen.
Like me alone can't take the money and read the foreign news here. Sorry, I need to go your yard. Me tired of you.
This will disrupt vacationers and cruise ship travel, but more importantly, it's expected to bring catastrophic impacts to the residents of the island, especially in the western part where it's expected to make landfall. So stay tuned to CBS News.
From me know myself in a life, me go through storm, go through hurricane, go through tornado, and me never afraid. So every time this man news pop up, my heart drop. My blood pressure 180 over 140. I just saw my pressure go. Sorry, me tired of you. Not come here for come kill me off. Go on back where you come from. Sir, if nobody has no plan for kill people, you plan for kill people. You come here for kill people. Sir, guy, who invite you out here? Me no want you.
Hey, when you hold on pantry, you see, your hand pop out some blood clot to the breeze of sleep, right?
Yeah.
No. You see anytime me up there with them, how me look and see no me blood no Rastafari. You see when me up there with them bomb clot, and me say I no power up there, go so.
Yeah.
I saw me the pan. Don't fuck out now. You know me out there, you know. But me no care, more only want to see when me look.
I know you want.
The blood clot, hold on. Human, you want your sweep on a ras clot, and me say yes. This is it, yes.
This is literally meanwhile in Jamaica, right? The whole world is bracing and worried about Jamaica, Haiti, and Cuba, and look what's happening in Jamaica right now. Very tribal. But I will say the African ancestors them did dance away their problems, are true? Didn't the African ancestors them have rain dances? Spiritual dances to call in good vibes and good spirits. Dances when they graduate. Dances when they reach the next level of manhood and womanhood. So cheering and dancing is very spiritual as well. So I'm not going to say the man them are careless by doing something like this. Me just I say, I hope they're completely prepared just in case. Just in case. Like forecasting around the world. Just in case. She ain't playing around. Just in case Melissa now ramp. Breaking news. Tribal enjoyment are going on. Tribal essence are going on. Tribal calling is going on. Breaking news. Breaking news. I don't agree with the whole PNP labor rights thing. I am completely neutral. I just want to see all Jamaican people and my ancestors, them, and my family, them strive, you see. Shout out to Portland, Jamaica, St. Thomas, Jamaica, Yallas, Morant Bay, seeing up in the hills, in the Twickenham Hills, seeing Shrewsbury, Fruitful Vale. I want everybody to be safe in Jamaica. Kingston, of course, Marvel, my family, them, Barbican, and of course, going over to Manchester and those places. Enough respect, and please, everybody be safe. Hope Bay, Buff Bay, Anata Bay, Port Antonio. Come on, guys, be safe. And remember this, there's a lot of conspiracies out right now. A lot of conspiracies are out right now. Listen.
Fall them over style them, fire things up in the cloud, bust the cloud, and I saw them get real. But you see, sometimes when them do it, them cannot control it because them ramp with Father God thing. Them can't control it, so the rainfall are uncontrollable. That's why them tell us for prepare for flood and prepare for this and that. Normally I get time in a year people I tell about people, them I tell us say I get a lot of water and thing, but them I tell about beer flood because what? Them know what them do, it will cost whole heap of water and them cannot control it. When the clouds open up and the rain start fall, them know them now have control over that. The water now stop pour. You see me? So why the storm not reach yet and it have to delay, I make you understand. You see, because of the wind, that little breeze here blow, I eat them a try get together. The wind where them can't create because you know God designed that. So them a try get the wind for project with the storm, you see me?
No! Over there some people!
What y'all feel about that? Because if they could produce the cloud seeding, if they could produce the positive and negative neutrons and so forth in the atmosphere, which creates certain cloud and create certain things for you to happen, then why would they not be able to create the wind as well? Now, I'm a big conspiracy dude, but I'm also a person of logics and reality. Which one is it? A Jaja thing? Or is it man-made, yo?
About them I tell about beer flood because what? Them know what them do? It will cost whole heap of water and them cannot control it. When the clouds open up and the rain start fall, them know them now have control over that. The water now stop pour. You see me? So why the storm not reach yet and it have to delay, I make you understand. You see, because of the wind, that little breeze here blow, and eat them a try get together. The wind where them can't create because you know God designed that.
Okay.
So them a try get the wind for project with the storm, you see me?
No! Over there some people!
This is the chief of the Maroons.
It's Haiti. Haiti is in that direction, people. This is Kingston.
So Haiti's right there.
There's a Kingston and Center go get the first link. A word for whole over there. So this is in front of Haiti may face no people. And Cuba they over there, so. So Haiti is 1 hour and a couple of minutes away from Jamaica. So This storm could have go slower than the slowest storm. It should have reached Jamaica over 20 hours ago. This storm, and if it's the category 1, it should have reached Jamaica 1 hour from Jamaica. Category 1 would have reached Jamaica months ago, years ago, weeks ago. And them say that category 5 now. But why no storm is out here, people? Look much bird, lot of massive. Look at bird, people. Look at bird, people. What kind of storm? And the bird them are unfish, people. Look how much bird are unfish, people. Look how much bird is out there, people. Look there.
Okay, in all fairness, I did see some videos. I'm gonna have to update my channel a little bit later with those videos, but I did see some videos with the drunker them, right? For people who don't know who drunker is, it's like John Crow, or we would have say vultures, right? You see the vultures all coming down onto the mainland and hanging out on the telephone wires and stuff. That's very rare in Jamaica to see the vulture them, the junker them so close. You understand? So I did see animal movement that was kind of indicative of when a storm or earthquake or some kind of natural disaster is going to happen. You know, the animals are the first ones to see it, feel it, energize it, magnetize it, and get the hell out of there.
Look how much bird is out there, people.
When me wake up at 9,000 birds, me see a fly, I go up a Portland Hill.
Right. So he must say no. He's saying now that when he woke up, he saw the birds leaving. Right?
9,000 birds, me see a fly, I go up a Portland Hill.
9,000 birds, him see a fly away, and I go up a Portland side, yo.
And the bird them are unfish, people. Look how much bird are unfish, people. Look how much bird is out there, people. Look there. Look how much bird is out there, people.
When me wake up at 9,000 birds, me see a fly, I go up a Portland Hill. The bird them a show me sign.
Are you leaving?
Yeah!
Fresh drop.
Where are you going?
I ground. Me I go a Portland Hill way bird then the too.
So me I get some food as you can see. Banana and whatever make it cost me have all a little room here to warm up your body.
We are here at Rocky Point in the parish of Clarendon, and it really is a so
Big up all the Clarendon people, them Rocky Point, Hayes, Phase 2. Shout out to the people them in a Longwood, way up in the bush there, Longwood. Shout out to Lionel Town people, Veer, Sin, and big up the whole like Clarendonian people them still.
spring scene
Maypen people, big up on yourself.
here as residents try to secure property as well as some of their boats as they anticipate the arrival of Hurricane Melissa.
Well, me no do not be secure. This is not all about house, you know, sir. This is all about life. No house business, no, this, sir. This is all about life. So that's why you see me go gather up my stuff then.
What about family and friends here? Is everyone cooperating?
Yes, we are going good. We are going good because see the 19 boat we all up for morning now we dry up in no tractor, nothing, now we dry up in man's strength. We use to dry up it.
And woman's strength too, because we saw the women speaking about it earlier, that the Jamaican companies are gouging the people them in terms of using their tractors or anything like that. They're gouging the people them some really expensive prices through them. No say the disaster go on, them are up the price. Come on, people, man. Come on.
They're not leaving their home, he can do more.
Please, mommy, please, pack up the necessary things and come, let's go.
All right, so this is a service worker gathering people out of the parish them, the elders, especially children, and any person that's wheelchair accessible or special needs or anything like that. They have to go prioritize first. But some people don't want to leave. And sometimes the reason they don't want to leave, damn thief, want to stay back and loot. But it's not everybody. Let's go.
Close the shop and come.
But yes, so some of them are so stubborn, they don't want to go. It's just like when no one want, and I tell them to leave, and they're not leaving. Because me feel the blunt at 2 hurricane. I was homeless for 5 months and 3 days. I know what it is. We don't take warning, see him lightly. But other persons have ulterior motives, because you know at that time them loot and all them something.
Right. Yo, it's not funny, but other people have ulterior motives. Right?
The blunt at 2 hurricane. I was homeless for 5 months and 3 days. I know what it is. We don't take warning, see him lightly. But other persons have ulterior motives, because you know at that time them loot and all them something. But I am appealing to those persons. Please, please, please to go to the shelter that the government assigned for you to go. Higher ground, they said go to Avert technical with a little distance from here and it is more safer, and person it still don't want to move.
Why do you think it's safer to stay than to go?
You know, we have to here to watch the boat, because remember the boat is there to travel on the water.
Yes, we can't run left the boat then. We can't run left the boat, because you know, say a boat have to save if anything. You see, we have to stay close to the boat then. We can't run, we have to run, come back, you see me?
None of them, make sure me are telling us so they can't tell them. They say something that happen at time. And they're vulnerable. None of them can tell about you lose. Me lose house, and me lose this, and me want this, and me want that.
Melissa Cummings mashed up We Land first in history.
Mansion in St. Thomas, Portland. So this is what going on the beach. The river combine and meet the sea. The water is coming on land.
Okay, that's kind of crazy, you know. It's when, let me move over here. It's when the sea meets the river. And this happens, you know, for example, in a tsunami, when the sea is pushing its way in, right? And it's meeting the river that's supposed to be going to the sea, and it's pushing its way back. So then you get this crazy, it's almost like an anomaly, guy. Let's see what's going on here.
Guys, watch the wave. It's coming. Portland is washing away. Check out the view, people.
Dramatic.
The river is going the wrong way, people.
Yeah, mommy, here to the river, I go the wrong way. The river's going the other direction, not towards the sea, but being pushed, I guess, through water pressure the other way. So the river's going upstream now.
The river ever going to sea. Now the sea is going to river.
Right.
What the fuck? Me blood clot.
No, people. Look there now. These are butterfly flying.
Yep, I just saw a little butterfly. So what are butterflies doing flying in a damn time? Yeah, watch out.
Butterfly flying. Now, where you see star may come and butterfly fly people. Look there, those are butterfly. Butterfly people. So, if star was coming people, butterfly the boat.
Alright, my people, so back tune again.
Okay, so hold on. It's about my next video. Because, I mean, there's so much to unpack. Jamaica getting that oil off overseas. I mean, offshore. Venezuela going through what they're going through right now. China, Russia. There's a lot going on. And they're trying to cover it under the facade of maybe just a storm, or trying to cover it under the facade of some celebrity news, Rihanna and all that crap. But here's something. Hear this.
Now I want to listen to real information, because some people may tell them what they go on in the Caribbean, but then still not understand.
I'm not covering it this video. I'm just going to play a little bit and we cover it next video. But listen.
Let me open up on the eye and get more in depth. I just threw TikTok video them short. Listen me now. The United States of America a fight to colonize and conquer the whole Caribbean. Likewise China, likewise Russia.
Look out of the water, people.
Like I said, that's for the next video. But from the land of the Toronto Blue Jays in Toronto, Canada, born Jamaican, all my people in Jamaica, please stay safe. Take it seriously. It's better to give the benefit of the doubt that it's going to be serious and you just go up a higher grounds. You're over, son. It's the Mr. Show. Remember to like and subscribe. All Jamaicans.
She was more like and the bird them enough on the sea. But what am I doing? Them I do a thing called cloud seeding. Them chop the thing in the cloud and they take all 2-3 days before it ripen. But for some